Good morning, my students. Today we will explain Unit 1, Lesson 4, talking about multiplying a fraction or decimal number by an integer. Okay, find the result. If I want to multiply 0.46 multiplied by 6, this is the decimal number or decimal fraction multiplying by integer, a whole number. How to be the result 2.76? The first step, if I want to do the multiplication, like how to study previous year in the form 4, 0.46 multiplied by 6, like this, times 6, put the numbers vertically. The first step, 6 times 6, 36, 6 and carry up 3. 6 multiplied by 4, 24, plus 3, 27. 7 and carry up 2. 6 times 0, 0, plus 2, 2. How to put the decimal point? Okay, look at this. The first number, the decimal point after 2 places, 2 decimal places. Here, after 2 decimal places from the right. The second number, 6, there's no point, 0 decimal places. Then the result, we must put the decimal point after 2 decimal places. It means the sum of their decimals. This very important note, the number of decimal places in the product, in the result, must be equals the sum of the two numbers decimals in the two numbers, both. Here, the sum of this. Here after 2, here after 1 or 0, then the sum, it will be 2. Then put the decimal point after 2 places from the right. Okay, if I want to do B, look at this. Write the number vertically. 2.37 times by 5. First, do the multiplication as we know. 7 times 5, 35. 5 and carry up 3. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 3, 18. 8 and carry up 1. 5 times 2, 10, plus 1, 11. Where I put the decimal point, look at this. This is the decimal point after 2 decimal places. Here, 0 decimal places. Then the result after 2 decimal places. Count 2, 1, 2, and put the decimal point. The result, it will be 11.85. Okay, form 5, we have in this year calculator. You have a calculator if I want to check the answer, or if I want to do it without steps. If you told me this, do it without steps. How to do this? Write 2.37 times 5. The result. Here, result fraction. If I want to change a fraction into decimal, put to SD 11.85. This is the same result. Okay, another one. 0.251 times 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 0 carry up 2. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 2, 10. 0 carry up 1. 4 times 0, 0. Plus 1, 1. We must put the decimal places here after 3 decimal places. Here, 0 decimal places. The result or the product, it will be 3 decimal places. Count to 3 from the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The result, it will be 1.004. If I want to check the answer with the calculator, write the first number 0.251 times 4. The answer fraction change into decimal 1.004. Okay, this is the answer. After that, story problem. The price of a bar of chocolate is LE 2.75. What is the cost of 15 bars of the same kind? If I want to make it multiplication, as we know in form 4, 2.75 hundredths times by 15. Do you know here multiplication by 2 digits, multiply by 2 digits. 5 times 5, 25, 5 and carry up 2. 5 times 7, 35, plus 2, 37. 5 times 2, 10, plus 3, 13. We must put 0 and multiply the second number. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 2, 2. After that, make plus 5, 12, 11, 4. This is the result. Okay, here the decimal point after 2 decimal places. Here 0 decimal places. The result, it will be after 2 decimal places. 1, 2. If I want to check this with calculator, 2.75 hundredths times by 15. 2.75 times 15. 41.25. 41.25 LE. This is the total cost . 41.25 hundredths LE. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you understood.